It's gonna go in the pool. There's a hair in it. What?
You literally just opened it 2 seconds ago.
Hello, YouTube. Hi. So we have this cube from Fivebelow, which is a store where you can get everything in there for $5 or less. This was $3. It looks not bad at all. It looks much better than a Rubiks brand already.
We're gonna check it out and see what potential it may or may not have.
Let's go.
So a $3 Speedcube.
I'm really curious to see how this turns out. It looks like a GuanLong, like the color scheme of the bright colors and just the cuts in it.
Oh, oops. Puzzle Cube Speed Style.
Yes, that's the brand. It's just no, it's gonna go in the pool. Oh my lord! This comes with a freight cube stand, which is pretty.
Yeah, how nice.
Yeah, and it comes with instructions. Oh no! Okay, so it uses RI for R prime and Fi for F prime.
Wait, what?
Yeah, or it's a front inverted, right inverted.
Oops. I mean, if the marketing is to be believed, it's a Speedcube, so I'm not really sure why Speedcubers would need like front inverted, left inverted, right inverted, so on and so forth.
Oh, and okay, instead of U for up, it has T for top.
Alrighty.
So there's the algorithm on here. It says TILI-TILT. Oh, that's so weird.
I'm glad a lot of cubes don't come with instructions anymore.
Speedcubes do. Like
Why?
I don't know. On
We have the internet.
Alright, so on with the cube though. It's very dry and tight and oh, there's actually lube in this thing, but it feels dry. It's all loopy right here.
Maybe it's Vaseline.
Oh god. Alright, time to take this thing apart.
Yes.
Ew. It's so lubey.
Oh.
It's really gross,
Careful.
lube. Oh, that's really gross. I'm getting a paper towel.
That is.
Nasty. No me gusta. There's a hair in it. What? That's not my hair.
You literally just opened it 2 seconds ago. Okay. Alrighty.
The lube is all gloppy. Ew.
You can see it on the pieces too.
Ew.
It's disgusting.
Oh my god. It's all over the hardware and everything. It's all my fingers and it's like this. Looks like oil. Just like buttery popcorn oil or something. Well, I accidentally lost a screw, so hopefully these extra diamond screws will work. Never mind, I haven't found it. Where'd you find it?
I mean, it's apparently sitting on it.
Oh. Yay! So, the first turns of this with lube core, it feels about the same. Feels a little faster. Feels dry on the pieces, so.
It sounds dry.
Yeah, that gloppy lube don't cut it at all. So what we're gonna do is put some of this Mofingy lube on it. Nailed it. That's better. Oh yeah, much better. They definitely needed a different kind of lube because that was not cutting it. Corner cut's really nice. Like 45, bam. It's pretty easy. And it reverse corner cuts too. But the main thing is just it feels like a little slow. I think that's just due to the hardware though. But it corner cuts nicely. I just noticed something about this packaging was look at this 3x3. It has blue and green on one corner and then friggin' purple and blue on the edge.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, blue. Is it that hard to get the right color scheme?
Packaging.
Oh, damn.
Alright, I'm gonna do a quick average of 5 and see what I get on this. So I got a 1642 average of 5, which is bad for me. I average like 13 to 14. This cube is also really looby and feels like hard to get control of. It's not the greatest, but it's $3. I mean, what do you expect? For a $3 cube, I'd say it's worth it. When you're starting out, this is definitely 10 times better than a Rubiks brand. I'll give you that.
New to cubing, then this will do just fine. You won't really notice it in comparison to any other Speedcube, so it's alright.
And be sure to lube it.
Yeah, lube it.
And that's all we have to say. Bye. Oh, come on. I'm now just recording.